Hi everyone, welcome to my studio. My name is Gina Vadana and I'm a branding photographer and videographer based in Berlin. This is an upgraded version of my studio, so come on in. This studio has blessed me with so many clients so far, and the energy here is filled with creativity, timeless memories, and so many great shots at the end. Here is where I invite my clients to relax and get ready for the shoot. We get to know each other, we chat a little bit, we detension everything, and I get to connect with their vision. But when I'm not having a client here, it's just a place where I hang out, I hang out with my partner, with my friends, with my doggy, or I read a book, whatever. It's so beautiful. This part of my studio becomes also a setup for, more professional and clean shots for my clients. I really like this particular place because it's very neutral. We have the sofa, we have a white wall, very easy to use, and it kind of fits to all my clients' needs. But what's the most special about this place is that I have this beautiful window that actually reflects the light of the sun when it's sunny outside. It's amazing and creates super beautiful, bright images. What is a studio without a desk and a working space? Earlier this year, I invested in this standing table, and it changes everything. For everyone that's a photographer out there, you know what I say. We spend a lot of time in front of the computer, and to have the possibility to actually stand and work, it's a game changer. It improved my posture, and I also have the possibility as well to sit, I can use them both. So here is where I let my creativity flow. This is the place where I like to keep it quite clean and tidy so I don't get overstimulated by other things, and I just focused on editing for clients and just letting that magic to unfold in my visual projects. I changed the art pieces on this wall because I wanted something more neutral and something to match with the vibe in the studio. So these two pieces are part of my own creations, part of Gigi's Omens, my own artistic expression that I did last year with plaster. This one is called Flow, and this one is BU. Here we have a golden frame that's empty. I feel like it's adding to the vibe of the entire classy, timeless energy that's here in the studio. And my drum that helps me to disconnect from my mind and to connect with my spiritual side. Here I have two new additions, two plants that are so beautiful. And actually they add so much life and abundant energy. Here's where the magic happens. And I don't know if you noticed, but I have 3 different colors because I want to pop it up a little bit. And so here is red, blue, and green. I love this photography studio so much, and I hope this inspired to create your own too. It is so worth it because it saves time and money to go to an actual studio. And this is not to say that I don't want a bigger studio where I can have bigger, high-paying clients and brands. But for now, this studio really nurtures me and helps me grow my creative business. If you stayed till the end, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to be further inspired and receive some consultations from me, I do offer sessions for new photographers to learn my formula. If this resonates, let's connect. And also, if you are from Berlin and you want a branding photo shoot or a creative one or whatever visual fantasy you have, don't hesitate to go on my website and send me an email or DM me on my Instagram. I would be super happy to receive you in my space and to create something beautiful together. That's it for today. Thank you so much for being here. Until next time, stay juicy. My name is Gina Vadana and I'm a branding photographer. Hello everyone, welcome to and I'm a branding photographer, and you do this is the movement. Boom, bam, boom. And so every client, colors, because I don't know, wait. And this is behind the scene. So we are gonna see the bodyguard, the protector of the studio. Rose? Hallo? Come here. Ja.